Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your videos look pro? I'll show you how to erase that green background. Click the Create button to start your project. Next, choose the Videos tab and select a landscape video format for your content. Once you've added your video, navigate to the Elements section in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Video with Green Backscreen. This will help you find videos with a green background suitable for further editing or applying chroma key effects. Select your desired video element and add it to your project timeline. Click the Videos tab in the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This opens the main video section, where you can browse, upload, or manage your video content. Use this area to quickly access all your video files and related features for your project. Let's try this option to see how it adjusts your settings. To remove the green screen from this video, first select the video clip in your project timeline. Next, click the PG Remover button to apply the effect. The green screen background will be removed automatically, making your subject stand out. Now, you can add a different background image to replace the green screen. Simply drag your chosen background image into the timeline below your video clip, and it will appear behind your subject, creating a new look for your video. First, locate the background section in your workspace. Browse through the available background options and select the one that fits your project best. Click on this background to apply it. You can always change or adjust the background later if needed for your design. Select the first video, then drag and place it onto the top track in your timeline to begin your edit. Now you can view the available videos. Locate the video you want to watch, then click the play button to start playback. Click the share button, then select the download option to save your video as an MP4 file. Before downloading, make sure to adjust the quality settings to your preferred resolution for the best results. This ensures your video is saved in a higher quality, ready for sharing or uploading wherever you need. Check your selections carefully before clicking the download button to proceed. Now you know how to remove a green screen in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.